I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fake.
Advanced weapons. Hypersonic weapons. Hypersonic weapons travel in excess of 5 times the speed of sound, Mach 5, covering vast distances in minutes. Hard to stop, they fly and nimbly maneuver to avoid detection and dodge defensive countermeasures. We're using our decades of expertise to deliver digitally engineered, end-to-end offensive and defensive technologies to help keep the world safe. And the innovation never stops. To accelerate hypersonic advances, we partner in creative ways that bring proven technology together with cutting-edge developments in heat management, propulsion, and sensing. Teaming across the industry enables us to move advanced hypersonic capabilities out of laboratories, into test environments, and into the hands of warfighters at top speed. Peregrine Air-to-Air Missile packs plenty of power in half the space. The Peregrine trademark missile is a small, fast, lightweight air-to-air weapon for use against drones, manned aircraft, and cruise missiles. Built with additive manufacturing and readily available materials, the missiles are low cost. They are also lighter, effectively doubling the number of missiles that current fighter jets can carry. Goes the distance. The new, smaller Peregrine is faster and more maneuverable than legacy medium-range air-to-air missiles. Its relatively compact, 6-foot-long airframe weighs just over 150 pounds. Penetrates bad weather. Peregrine can seek out targets, even in bad weather. Its sophisticated sensor, guidance, and propulsion systems can detect, track, and engage moving targets at any time of day. Increases firepower. The system's compact airframe doubles the number of weapons current aircraft can carry, allowing U.S. and Allied fighter pilots to field more missiles and maintain air dominance. It can be easily used by today's 4th and 5th generation fighter jets and is compatible with current launch gear. Hypersonic weapons meet speed of light defenses. They're two of the biggest threats to U.S. and Allied military power, and they could hardly be more different. One is the hypersonic missile, which travels at more than 5 times the speed of sound and can strike targets at great distances. The other is the UAV, or unmanned aerial vehicle, particularly off-the-shelf drones modified into cheap weapons that are prohibitively expensive to defeat. Different as those threats are, there's one single emerging technology, the high-power microwave, that could play a huge role in defending against both. High-power microwave systems, which use highly concentrated radio energy to damage their target's electronics, are among the options that Raytheon Missiles and Defense, a Raytheon Technologies business, is partnering with the U.S. Department of Defense to explore as part of a layered approach to air defense. Our adversaries are coming up with increasingly sophisticated and innovative ways to attack us, said Colin Whalen, Vice President of Advanced Technology for Raytheon Missiles and Defense. We need lower-cost solutions to counter them. The business is building a set of technologies that fall into 3 categories. Small-scale systems for short-range air defense. Larger systems for longer-range air defense. Small airborne high-power microwave payloads for maneuverable platforms like UAVs. Harnessing the power of energy. The advantage of high-power microwaves and other directed energy weapons is that, once they're built, they're inexpensive to fire, and their ammunition is limited only by the availability of power. That makes them well-suited to take on drones that attack by the dozen. This technology makes it possible to knock out a whole swarm of electronic threats in a single shot, Whalen said. Raytheon Missiles and Defense's Advanced Technology Group, an elite team of innovators, is helping the U.S. military explore how they may integrate high-power microwave technology into aircraft, cruise missiles, surface ships, and ground vehicles. Paired with high-energy lasers, microwaves would give military commanders a powerful directed energy 1-2 punch. Just as high-power microwaves use concentrated radio energy, lasers project beams of light particles onto their targets. But while lasers burn into their targets, high-power microwaves attack their electronics. We crank up the power to create enough energy to electronically disrupt a target, said Paul Head, who leads high-power microwave programs at Raytheon Missiles and Defense. It causes the drone to fall out of the sky. Speed of light versus sound. High-power microwaves have an important edge over hypersonic weapons. They're much faster. While hypersonic weapons travel more than 5 times the speed of sound, 343 meters per second or higher, high-power microwaves travel at the speed of light, 300 million meters per second. When it comes to defeating a threat that pushes the limits of a physical object's speed, you naturally look to a defense that moves at the speed of light, Whalen said. Hypersonic weapons are also maneuverable. They can swerve to avoid detection and even loop around adversary-facing missile defense batteries. But defenses that move at the speed of light still have the edge, Whalen said. It doesn't matter how maneuverable an adversary is, he said. They're going down if you have speed of light defenses. A virtual proving ground. The innovation doesn't stop there. Advanced technology is using digital engineering methods such as modeling and simulation to prove to the greatest degree possible that high-power microwave technologies work before costly prototyping. We call it pushing the I believe button, Head said. With our powerful modeling platforms, in conjunction with live test data, we can show that the system works and adds significant benefit to a modern layered defense in terms of cost and magazine depth. The modeling platforms allow the business to demonstrate the directed energy's effect on target is both predictable and measurable, offering the best defense for a mission. We have a strong understanding of the effects these weapons have and the platforms they are designed to counter, Head said. We are maturing the technology and look to demonstrate high-power microwaves in the field. U.S. Air Force awards Raytheon Missiles and Defense approximately $2 billion for long-range standoff weapon. Program shifts to engineering, manufacturing, and development phase.
Tucson, Arizona, July 1st, 2021, Raytheon Missiles and Defense, or Raytheon Technologies business, was awarded an approximately $2 billion U.S. Air Force contract to engineer, manufacture, and develop the long-range standoff weapon.
LRSO is a strategic weapon that will replace the service's legacy air-launched cruise missile. For additional details, see the U.S. Air Force's announcement. Non-kinetic Coyote aces U.S. Army test.
Yuma Proving Ground, Arizona, July 21st, 2021, Raytheon Missiles and Defense, or Raytheon Technologies business, successfully defeated a swarm of drones with its reusable Coyote-registered Block 3 non-kinetic effector during a U.S. Army test.
The demonstration moves the variant closer to deployment. Derived from the expendable Coyote loitering munition, the Block 3 utilizes a non-kinetic warhead to neutralize enemy drones, reducing potential collateral damage. Unlike its expendable counterpart, the non-kinetic variant can be recovered, refurbished, and reused without leaving the battlefield. This test demonstrates the effectiveness of Coyote to counter complex, unmanned aircraft systems, said Tom LaLiberty, Vice President of Land Warfare and Air Defense at Raytheon Missiles and Defense. As a non-kinetic variant, we're offering an effective weapon against the threat and value to the Army in the form of an affordable, reusable asset. During the test, the Coyote engaged and defeated a swarm of 10 drones that differed in size, complexity, maneuverability, and range. It achieved several significant firsts. Air-to-air non-kinetic defeats. Survivability, recovery, refurbishment, and reuse during the same test event. Successful launch from the Coyote Block 2 system. Extended range engagements, communication, and QRFS radar track. If you like this videos, subscribe and not forget to hit the notification so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. I know you have something on your mind. Please share your thought on the comment section and don't forget to like. It will help our channel to grow.